Welcome everyone to the Mysterious Channel. California, known as the agricultural powerhouse of the United States, is the primary hub for tomato cultivation. The journey of a tomato, from a tiny seedling to a ripe red fruit and eventually being processed into tomato juice or sauce, is a fascinating process that showcases the delicate combination of traditional farming methods and modern agricultural technology. Today, we're visiting the tomato fields in California, USA to see how farmers here grow and harvest tons of tomatoes. The journey begins in the nursery, where tiny tomato seeds are sown in a controlled environment to optimize growth. These nurseries provide the perfect conditions of temperature, light, and humidity, allowing the seeds to germinate and develop into healthy seedlings. This initial stage is crucial as it ensures that only the strongest and most viable plants are selected for transplanting into the fields. Once the seedlings reach a certain stage of maturity, they are carefully transported from the nursery to the fields. Before planting, the soil is thoroughly prepared using specialized machinery to till the land and create uniform beds, ensuring that the young plants have the best possible environment to grow. This machine is widely used on farms across the United States to prepare the soil and create beds before planting the seedlings. These machines are commonly used on farms throughout the United States, making the planting process more efficient and consistent. In the United States, tomatoes are primarily grown in California. After the soil preparation process is complete, the seedlings are transported from the nursery to begin planting. This machine is used to plant tomatoes, and it can plant between 500 to 600 tomato plants per acre. Most tomato fields here are located near canals, making it convenient to supply water for irrigation. Tomatoes are very sensitive to drought, so they need to be watered on average 3 to 4 times a week. As the tomato plants take root and begin to grow, they require constant care. Farmers closely monitor the fields to ensure that the plants receive enough water, nutrients, and protection from pests and diseases. During this stage, the plants are frequently watered, and the soil is maintained to support healthy growth. The time from planting to harvesting tomatoes typically ranges from 3 to 4 months, depending on the region and climate. When the tomatoes turn red, it signals that the tomato harvest season is about to begin. The fields are now ablaze with the vibrant red color of the tomatoes. The harvesting of billions of tomatoes is carried out using modern agricultural machinery. These machines are designed to efficiently harvest the ripe tomatoes without damaging the fruit. After harvesting, the tomatoes are immediately loaded onto trucks and transported to processing facilities, ensuring that their freshness is preserved from the field to the factory. Billions of tomatoes are then loaded onto trucks before being transported to processing plants. In California, each acre of tomatoes typically yields between 18 to 19 tons per acre. This high yield highlights the state's crucial role in meeting the nation's and the world's demand for tomatoes and tomato products. When the tomatoes arrive at the processing plant, they undergo a series of steps to transform them into the final products that reach consumers. The first step is to thoroughly wash the tomatoes to remove any dirt or residue. Next, the tomatoes are steamed to soften them, making the peeling process easier. After the tomatoes are peeled, they are pured to create a smooth mixture, which is essential for producing both tomato juice and sauce. This puree is then further processed, using different techniques depending on whether the final product will be juice, sauce, or other tomato-based products. How do you feel about the process of growing and harvesting tomatoes? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.